1-pound rocket on a G25. Yeah, and the crowd goes wild. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Really fine igniter, but we're gonna need another one. Size igniter in there if we need to.
Yeah, I put a Slim Jim, one of the Slim Jim minis up there.
If that doesn't work, I've got one. The next we can continue this game for a while. Still on 18.
Yep.
You got that part right anyway. All right, we're gonna try John Boyson again. Still from Harrisonville, still flying a Scratch Phoenix. It's still in G25. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Okay, that's gone.
Holy cow. That went.
That worked good. You got an eye on it?
I got it.
Yeah?
That's gone.
I mean, it's coming straight down right now.
Open, there we go.
Oh, well, that was the parachute.
3 pieces.
Yeah, I got multiple parts. Alright, so my nose cone and forward body tube divorced the motor and fin can at event. When I had my charge blow, it just blew the rocket in half. I found the tail cone, or the fin can, sorry, fin can, just sitting here in the dirt. Amazingly, it wasn't that hard to see. It looked about like that. Red, not my favorite color for finding rockets in the field. Of course, I lost the parachute as well because it drifted away. But unfortunately, I have not found the top end of this. I imagine there's probably a 38mm hole somewhere out here with the entire rocket in it. But it is what it is. I'll have to print another one and keep testing. That's the most powerful motor I've ever put in one of these things. First time I've flown it on a 29mm motor, so, you know, time to redesign and retry. Apparently, gluing together is not strong enough for this kind of project, so we'll have to get it more robust before we try again. But anyway, that was the flight, well, the last flight of Phoenix. So we'll see what the next 3D printed rocket gets named and looks like. So thanks for watching, gang. See you in the next video.